Hold on, y'all. I ain't never been in this old box. Ain't nothing that's on the floor? Yeah, put the neck. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I'm finna see what this box run like, man. I be looking at it all the time. Online, at the track. I don't never ride in it. Oh, yeah, I missed this old box Chevy, man. This is nice, man. My uncle seen, he would have said, this is nice, man. Did I get a box? No, I had a round body, man. Yeah, he ready. Let me see something. It got the digital dash in here. Go on, tell them something about it, man. What year is it?
89.
Got an 89 box Caprice.
With a small 6.2.
With a small 6.2. What transmission you run?
8-speed.
You got an 8-speed transmission, 8L90.
373 gears.
Okay, 373. You got the stock rear end?
Yeah.
Stock rear end.
Yeah, but this car come with 8.5.
Oh, okay. Oh, you got the 30 spline in there? Okay, well, yeah. Did you have to put any axles or anything, or you left?
Yeah, no, I changed the axles. I put
You got some Mosers.
Yeah.
You got some Mosers. They say, what you got in the trunk? They always hear it beating. What's in there?
212 American base.
Yeah.
XFL.
XFL.
Yeah.
Okay. You got some. What size amp you running?
Scar 4500.
Oh, okay. You put 2 batteries.
Yeah.
You got 2 batteries.
One in the trunk.
One in the trunk. One at the top. Okay. All right. What's the next step for? What's the next upgrade you got coming up for?
Next step, paint job.
You're gonna paint it. What color is going?
Pearl white. Going pearl white. Interior going all red. I'm putting a red rag top on it.
Yeah.
And put some chrome and red color on for it.
Oh, okay. You gonna be doing it like that? That's gonna look nice.
Yeah.
When we looking for that? Probably next year.
No. I mean the paint job. The paint job should be in a couple of more months.
In a couple of more months, we got the paint
job in the top for sure. A couple of more months.
Yeah.
I don't know. Get
that interior. That's gonna be.
I don't know. It's gonna be last or the rim gonna be last. But the thing about it, once I paint it, it ain't coming back out here no more.
Oh man, you finna put he finna be go put one of them high ass paint jobs on that make it un-yellow belly-ish.
No, cause I got another one too that I'm about to. Well, I already got it built. I'm about to paint it, and once I paint it, I'll bring it out here.
Oh, okay.
I got one that I really built for the track.
Oh shit, I'm supposed to be riding with him, y'all. Come on back some more. Y'all ready? Yeah, about right there. Ah. Let me see what old boy talking about, man. He got a lead on him.
I don't know.
Old boy ready. Somebody said they know your Caprice, you live behind them somewhere, man.
Nah, I doubt it.
Y'all better say that's why he got this neck. That's why he brought this neck.
Nah,
for you.
I'm in suburbs.
Where that damn neck? Nah. What? I got people living in suburbs on my channel, man. They tell me.
I know everybody been living that 7 years, goddamn. I know everybody live close by me.
Okay. What you got to say about that? Y'all probably got the wrong box, man.
Got the wrong one.
They say you did a good job on your tree cutting skills, man. He been up here, he be practicing every week. He done practice every week, man.
They say you practice long enough to get good at it.
Yeah, you been getting good at it, man.
Jeez.
Yeah, now I thought it was a 5'3", but it did feel like a 6'2". I ain't gonna lie to you. Oh, somebody said, no, I worked at O'Reilly. He used to live behind there.
Oh, yeah, that was 7 years ago. Yeah,
oh, okay.
Street, yeah.
He didn't move now. Y'all ain't finna find his car, man. Don't be looking out there. He didn't put work in this. Don't be looking for him. They said that car, that shift.
Who, the Angel?
I don't even, it done already scrolled up. Hey, my boy Chorizo said he want to run you now. He got a Tahoe. He said he want to try you.
Motor?
Nah, he got a turbo Tahoe.
Hell, with this?
Yeah, he want to run you in this.
Hell no.
He talking about that car is fucking 9,400 pounds.
Man, fuck that. This car down there 5,000 pounds. That nigga truck ain't that damn heavy.
Yeah.
I gotta hear Rip bring my other one out here. Everybody with
They attacking everything.
Yeah.
Hell, they be doing on my Caprice. They be.
Stock ass 6'2".
Yeah. They said that guy seems like a pro. Yeah, man, he professional, man.
Not yet. I'm planning to be there soon.
Yeah, man. It's going, man.
This bitch try to come out the ground, huh?
Yeah, it's picking up that little. Well, you got some good shocks on her.
I got some QA1, but I don't know. These bitches, they alright.
They doing their thing.
But I got to soften the bitches. I got to
Soften them up to come to Yellow Belly.
I mean, do any burnout though.
Oh, okay.
They big as this bill on back where it was.
Oh, okay.
I probably try that season.
Let me see if I can rile them up, man.
Yeah, I know you probably great.
I'll rile them up real quick. Hey, man. Look out.
What's up, bro?
It's you again.
What's going on, John?
Hey, where you been, man?
Look out.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out.